Hello and welcome to ET Auto. As the automotive industry progresses in the new era, in a new disruptive and increasingly technology intensive era, tier ones are also stepping up the game in terms of their investments, in terms of their building technology prowess. And one such tier one player is Uno Minda, one of the largest in India. And to tell us more about the game plan of how the organization is tapping the new opportunities and what next coming up. We have with us Mr. K Minda, who is the chairman and managing director of Uno Minda. Minda ji, pleasure talk to you.
Namaskar.
And tell us, now, in the current scenario, what are the 2 or 3 key drivers for you for Uno Minda for growth in the new era?
So we have, identified a technology called PACE, which is called PACE, PACE. So personalization, autonomous. Autonomous is going to come in India, I think maybe another 5, 7, 10 years, autonomous car. But when we are working on ADAS, so personalization, ADAS, connected, and electrification. So when you are visiting stall, you will see, you will try to connect each of the feature. So you have see the car bucks, where we have a steering, communication, steering, connected, feeling. So a car is like a home, and going to be like a home in the future. Massage seats. So how comfort. So this is one personalization. Many part, product, innovation, R&D. We have around 700 engineers only working on innovation. We have an innovation zone here, and we are spending almost 4% on our R&D as of now.
4% of your revenue
For
on R&D.
4% of the revenue. And year on year we are increasing.
Okay.
And coming back to the connected, you are seeing this electrification of the passenger vehicle now. So we have done the board, the car by itself, the schematics. And in there we have put our EDUs, ICCUs, hybrids. So all these technologies we are assembling together and showing to the customer that they can buy anything from us, from the German technologies as well as Chinese technologies.
So, so you're saying that in your organization you have 700 dedicated engineers who are working only for advanced technologies?
You are right.
Yeah.
And out of them, maybe around 200, 250 on software.
Okay.
Because software is going to be the future in the industry.
Right.
Everything is connected.
Yeah.
There is going to be a central ECU,
Yes.
where multiple issues are going to go away.
Yes.
You will see in our motorcycle, we have made one motorcycle by our own, one single ECU.
Right.
Similarly, the car. So the cost can come down, feature can be increased.
Correct. And as you build up this technology prowess, and you and some of your Indian tier one suppliers, so where would you rate the status or capabilities of Indian tier ones, and specifically for Uno Minda? Would you say that you are confident enough to call yourself to be at par with some of the global tier ones?
I think we are reaching over there. Your answer to your question, we will not say as far as of now, like Bosch, Conti, or Visteon, or Denso. See, we need to work together with the OEMs to create a POC. So once we create a POC, and then POC, we are able to freeze the requirement. We call SOR. So once we are clear about our SOR, then we take it on to the mass production. Things can be much better first time right, on time right, and always on the quality. There are some challenges, but we are OEMs and all, we together moving on that direction. So OEM trust us for first time development. You have seen the Mahindra electric car, our rear lamp, the music, the animations, all are developed cohesively with Mahindra as a team.
So, what do you think is required to happen in the Indian ecosystem for this mutual growth, and to have a very solid ecosystem of Indian industry players, really both OEMs and tier ones, India-based companies, to be at par and very globally competitive?
The processes, I would say the processes need to be robust. Once the processes are robust, I think we will be able to improve. And as far as second, our strength Indian company strength is the localization. You will see more than 80-90% we are localized, other than the semiconductor. So people trust us for the localization, all the OEM.
And the electrification, the EV part of your business, is that the fastest growing vertical for you now?
Yeah, going to be faster, because the kit value over there is around more than 2 lakh rupees, 200,000 rupees. If we get all the parts, including BMS and all that. Even in the two-wheeler segment, it is more than 40-50,000 rupees.
How does it compare to your kit value in ICE?
I would say there the prices were less, not the less, the prices, maybe originally it was 8-9,000.
Yeah.
Now we are moving this one. And in the electric vehicles, the rear lamp kit value also is increasing.
Right.
Headlamp is increasing.
Right.
Originally it used to be, I would say, maybe 1,500, 2,000 rupees.
Right.
Now it is more than 10,000.
So you're saying that the average revenue generated by your EV business no, is more than what you do?
Of course.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
That's right.
And in terms of your no, further expansion, what kind of investments are you kind of outlaid for yourself for as part of your midterm plan, for example?
See, first and foremost, we have to continue invest. So we don't go more than 1:1 debt equity ratio.
Debt equity ratio.
So right now we are at 0.25, 0.25. That is average, but we still have a lot of leverage to do. So we are acquiring a land in all region, whether it is Aurangabad, Kharkhoda, Gujarat. So at least we have land availability for the future. And we are working with many partners here. You have seen in the stand. There we are working for the new project to be, we call it DPR, Detailed Project Report.
Right.
Many of them are already working or going on, and some of them we are going to push button.
And this year, at what level do you plan to expect to end the year at?
I think the capex,
Yeah.
I think my CFO would be knowing better, but to my knowledge, maybe around 1,500 crores.
And in terms of your top line?
We should be ending, I don't know, the top line and all that, because we are a listed company.
Right.
So we have to be very careful of giving you numbers. But we will grow more than 1.5x than the industry growth.
Okay. On that note, Mindaji,
Thank you
pleasure
very
talking
much.
to you.
Pleasure always. Thank you very much.
There you heard K Minda, CMD of Uno Minda, and also an industry veteran, talking about how the electrification megatrend is giving Indian Tier 1s a great opportunity to really step up in the value chain, and also in the process increase revenue at a much faster rate than what they have been doing, gaining from the ICE business. And also he shared about the focus on engineering, on focus on investment on R&D, and which is on the rise, and for organizations like Uno Minda, which has ambitions to be at par with global Tier 1s. On that note, thanks for watching this interview.
Thank you very much.
Take care. Goodbye.
Thank you so much.